we aim to work sort of hand in hand with the HRS. While the HRS is sort of the end all be all for time and attendance or pay, we help expose additional information to the employees, and then we also help enrich with like real time notifications to the managers. So I've heard real time complaints from both companies that we've helped onboard and my own personal family members that work in manufacturing about how difficult it is to see things like time off requests or points availability or things like that. And with TeamSense, we make that information available within a single keyword for those employees. So we really help to open that up and get a lot more visibility to those things.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's very important. So there's lots of information in an HRIS, of course, and TeamSense can make that more visible in a more real-time way for decisions.
Exactly. And in fact, this has recently become valuable for one of our customers as they've been negotiating some deals with some of the union workers. They found that this functionality, being able to see the attendance points that they have really easily through TeamSense, has been a big benefit to those union workers.